this Platinum 100% Creatine by MuscleTech. I'm going to be giving an overview on this product along with my likes and dislikes about this product. Doesn't have no flavor at all. No flavor. The thing I like about it is that it is 100% creatine. I like that it improves muscle recovery. It can also increase strength. I like that it doesn't have any flavors. So you can add it in just water or another flavored drink. The thing I don't like about it is that when you open it, you have to shake and move around the container to find the scoop. The scoop is inside the container, somewhere inside the powder. So since it's powder, it actually covers up the scoop, so you have to dig for the scoop. Other than that, I like everything else about it. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.